We will guide you through how to leave channel in Slack. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to begin the process. Type Google Chrome, then open Google Chrome on your device. Input Slack into the URL bar and press Enter. Select the official Slack website and wait for it to load completely. Before continuing, verify that you're already signed into your Slack account using your credentials. After signing in, tap your recent workspaces to access the appropriate workspace. If you do not have the desktop application installed, choose the Use Slack in your browser option instead. Once your workspace has loaded, move your cursor to the left sidebar where all your channels are displayed. Browse the channel list and choose the channel that you want to leave. Click the selected channel to open its conversation and confirm that it is the correct one. Next, move your cursor to the right side of the page where the channel options are located. Click More Actions to display the available management options for the current channel. From the menu that appears, select Leave Channel to begin leaving the conversation. Slack may display a confirmation prompt before completing the action. If a confirmation message appears, review the information and confirm that you want to leave the selected channel. Once the process is complete, the channel will disappear from your channel's list because you're no longer a member. You have now successfully left the channel and will no longer receive new messages or notifications from it, unless you join again in the future. If the channel is public, you can rejoin it later whenever you need access again. However, if the channel is private, you must receive a new invitation from the existing member before you can rejoin.